Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying you have a recent backup and the credentials to access it. Unlock your Apple ID, confirm the backup date in iCloud or Finder, and plug the iPhone into power to avoid interruptions. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and enter the initial setup flow. When prompted, select Restore from iCloud Backup or connect to a Mac and choose the appropriate backup in Finder or iTunes to start the transfer. You now execute the actual restore. Choose the backup that matches the device and most recent timestamp. After selecting it, the device will download settings, apps, and data. This can take minutes to hours depending on size and speed. Make sure you remain connected to Wi-Fi and keep the iPhone plugged in. Pausing or disconnecting can corrupt the process. While apps download in the background, the system restores core settings first, so be patient and let the progress bar reach completion. To finish, sign into your Apple ID and iCloud. This reunites purchases, photos, and keychain passwords. Once the restore completes, allow apps to update and re-download. You may need to open certain apps to trigger final data sync. If something goes wrong, like a failed restore or missing items, restart the iPhone and retry the same backup or try an alternate backup. If failures persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics. They can check backup integrity and guide next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.